filmed my first makeup tutorial today. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so today I used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Bling Boss palette from her Vault collection. This is my first time using these shades and using this palette, so I thought I would do like a first impressions video. Right away I jumped in with Hush Hush and I used the e.l.f. eye crease brush. I just put that Hush Hush in my crease and I just blended that out. That shade is really pretty and it's super easy to blend. I was really surprised. Just blend. After that, I took the e.l.f. blending eye brush and I used the shade Rockstar. I put that right where I was doing Hush Hush. It is a super pretty color, very pigmented. I always start little and then just work my way up to the desired amount that I want. It's very pigmented, so a little bit takes you a long way. I always say that you can work your way up, but once you have a lot, take a whole bunch on your brush and put it on your eye, you're kind of stuck with that product. So just do a little bit first because that color is very pigmented. I went ahead and just blended that out. I took the e.l.f. blending eye brush and just blended that out a little extra. And I would always take a little bit more with the blending brush and I would dip it back in to build up the outer corner of my eye. After that, I took the e.l.f. concealer brush and I used the Milani Conceal Plus Perfect Concealer to do a cut crease. I really like doing cut creases. Normally I take my time, but I had somewhere to be today, so I kind of just did this as I was like getting ready. So I kind of just really kind of went through it a little too fast, but it'll do. You just want to make sure it looks nice and neat. And yeah, it's really simple. All you have to do is just try it. It might feel uncomfortable the first couple times you do it, but after that it becomes really easy. After that, I took the e.l.f. eyeshadow brush and I used Glitz and Glam, and I just dipped my brush in there and just went ahead and packed that on my lid. That color I thought was going to come up a little bit more glittery, like shimmery. I honestly did have to build that color a little bit. I do not like spraying my brushes with spray before I dip in my brush in like my palettes. I used to do that, but then like I would notice like a film would come off like on my palettes. I don't know, I just don't like that, so I just literally just sat there and like packed it on my brush and just kept building. I wouldn't recommend, well, if you like doing it then I guess you can, but I just don't like using any type of mist on my brushes and then putting it in my palette. I don't like doing that, so just stay away from that. But I did use the Bling Bling and I put it under my eyebrow and I put it in my inner corner. But there I missed it because I was talking. I did go back in with the e.l.f. blending brush and I did dip it back in Rockstar. And I put it in the outer corner of my eye to blend in where I had Glitz and Glam. And then I went ahead and I took a BH cosmetic brush in number 9 and I just went ahead and I blended everything so there was no harsh lines. And then after that, I took my e.l.f. concealer in black. And I just did a straight little line over my, I did a straight line so my lashes don't show the strip. I didn't used to do that, but I started doing that because I don't like my eyelash strip to be so noticeable. So I've been just putting just a really straight line over my lid to make it blend in more, and it really does seem to help. After that, I took L'Oreal Paris Unlimited Mascara, one of my favorites, and I put some mascara on before I put my lashes on. And I don't remember what those lashes are. Maybe I might like put it in somewhere, the description or something, what lashes they are. But they were the ones that I had in reach, so I went ahead and used them. I thought I heard my baby wake up from nap, but I don't know what it was because it wasn't him, so. But yeah, so I just put my lashes on. I absolutely love lashes. To me, lashes like complete the look, but if you don't like wearing lashes, then that's perfectly fine. I went ahead and I took that same eye blending brush and I dipped it back in Rockstar and I just put it underneath my waterline. I feel like when you do that with a dramatic look, it makes it a little bit more dramatic, and I don't know why, but I just always feel like it makes your eyes stand out a little bit more, like your actual eye color, no matter what colors you use. So I really like the way that it makes my eye pop. But yeah, this palette was really fun to play with and really easy to do. I literally only used 4 shades. Bling Bling, Hush Hush, Glitz and Glam, and Rockstar. So that is a really simple look that you can do. All you have to do is just practice, and practice makes perfect. But thank you guys for watching so much. Just give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see me finish the collection, I would love to do so. Just let me know. I went ahead and finished my other eye off camera, and I am gonna pop right back in here and show you what the final looks like. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like, share, and subscribe.